It's 6 AM, Phuket Airport. We're waiting to go to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Before you get on the plane, you need to make sure you fill in one of these digital arrival cards, and then you're good to go. Happy days. We've arrived in Kuala Lumpur. We're on our way to find our baggage and check in and everything else. It's about an hour and 10 minutes from Phuket, and we'll see where we go to next. Got through immigration and we're here now, and I'm applying sun cream. If you travel with a vampire, they spontaneously combust in any sunshine. So we're still at Kuala Lumpur Airport, and we're waiting to get a Grab to take us into the city. We're using Grab, an app you can download. From that, it costs about £11. What I suggest you do is download yourself an eSIM. eSIM you can load onto your phone, and then you can get unlimited internet across Asia. That's what I'm using. So hopefully we're going to go get Grab now. Yeah. So here we are in our hotel. Along the corridor you have filtered water so you can drink it, and then a microwave which everyone can access. Some very funky art to brighten the room up. Some rules: you're not allowed to bring durian into the hotel room. Here we are outside our hotel. We're going old school, using the map. Our favourite way of finding my way around a town, or a city, or a forest, or anywhere. So let's go see what we can see. Go up that way and see what we can see.
Okay.
If we find something to eat, we're going to eat it.
Yeah.
So, behind us, the central market, and then off in this direction is Chinatown.
Yeah, so, okay.
We're going to the central market, see if it's there. Or do you want to go to Chinatown first?
I don't mind, but...
Let's go central market then.
Okay then.
Have a nose, see what you can see. This building is impressive.
Yeah.
I like the geometric patterns.
Uh-huh. Come on, this way. What you got?
Clay pot chicken and rice.
Clay pot chicken and rice.
And then soy sauce and chilies.
Soy sauce and chili. That's the rice, isn't it?
There's the rice, chicken.
It's hot.
Hom.
Huh? Hom.
Hom. Ron.
Ron. อร่อยไหม
Ron.
อร่อยไหม
Nice. So we've left the central market after having something to eat, and now making our way along this road up towards Chinatown. Let's see what we can see. We'll see up ahead, lots of markets, and the start of Chinatown itself. Chinatown's behind us. We came out, it was 30 degrees heat, now it's raining quite a lot, so we're kind of stuck here. The rain in Malaysia and in Kuala Lumpur, just outside of Chinatown. We are now on the way to a mosque which is called... We'll see when we get there. So we're attempting to go through the mosque, but as you can see, it's Pontok Nitnoy. Raining a little bit, But we're going to try and see it. The rain has subsided and we're walking alongside the Jamek Mosque. Obviously you can't go in if you've got shorts and t-shirts, but alongside this abandoned building, which if you're into your urban exploring or believed in ghosts or love a horror film, it's probably worth going in there. Clearly there's the clothes of Freddy Krueger being washed. And we're going to go and look at the mosque from the other side now the rain has stopped. You know what the building was? Like an old governmental building or something? Interesting. But in the distance, one of the blue buildings, lots of blue buildings, I was told by a taxi driver on the way here, that Malaysia loves to build blue buildings. The blue building over there is the second tallest. It has over 118 or 120 floors.
Something like that.
Really good career if you want to be a window cleaner in Malaysia. It's never going to be out of a job. So many windows. So, thunder and lightning going on, raining, so what we thought is we would hide inside the water clock countdown tower to shelter from the rain. So we're inside the rain, protected from the rain, while we wait for the rain to stop. But how will we know the rain stopped? Because we're inside the countdown clock where it's raining anyway. Oh, my head, it hurts. One of the good things about Kuala Lumpur, the fact is, while you're walking around, it's quite easy to figure out where you're going. There's lots of information, like the Heritage Trail is clearly signposted, or you can catch a grab, because grab from A to B is really cheap if it's a short distance. So, but if you like walking, you can also find your way around as well.
So where are we going?
So we're going to go this way, and turn left and head for the tower.
The tower, yeah?
Or just electric scooters to get around. We're on our way to the KL Tower. About a 22-minute walk according to SatNav. A nice thing about Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur is all the greenery in the city centre. Good for oxygenating the city, reducing pollution. Nice to look at. Helps you keep calm. We have arrived at the bottom of KL Tower. Can we climb up it? Like use the stairs? Or do you have to take a lift? Construction period for this was from 1992 to 1996. It's 421 metres tall. Officially launched on the 1st of October in 1996. The total length of the antenna is 86 metres. So the outer diameter of the shaft wall is 13.6 metres to 24.5 metres. It's like I'm directly giving the Weather Channel as well. Okay, thickness to the shaft, sounds wrong, is 0.6 metres to 1.4 metres. Foundation and basement is 17 metres deep. Maximum foundation diameter 54 metres, and the total weight of the tower, lots of tons. Lots of tons. Oh, what's that? go up the tower, the view itself just from here is still very impressive. I'm going to ask if we can go up the steps.
Huh?
I'm going to ask if we can go up the steps.
No.
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 We got the tickets.
How much?
So we paid 120 ringgit in total.
Yeah, because we get 26
so we got 20% off because we got a Visa card, so you got a discount on that. And now we're joining the school tour, so hopefully we'll learn something. We're at the top of the tower, observation tower now. Because of the weather, we can only come to this bit. However, it's still an amazing view, and you get a good view. The best place in Kuala Lumpur to come play Ice Bar. Ice Bar, now they're live, something beginning with F.
What is? Where's the F?
See? World's
Football.
hardest. Yeah, there we go. Football pitch.
Yeah, football pitch.
You'll go.
Yeah. Got it.
So we're now in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, in the main city, surrounded by tall towers, buildings, everything. We just came from the tower over there, and we're now going in the opposite direction to the other towers. They're over there. So let's go.
Let's go. How is it?
You can actually come and get an actually spicy burger. It's actually very, very nice.
Look at mine. Can you open it?
Rice.
Probably.
You like sweet one?
KFC. Curry sauce.
It might be raining, but we're still in Malaysia and skiing is water for a reason. So we're going to go over there and have a look at the tower over there.
Let's go.
Also, really nice park. Lots of trees, lots of green, lots of places to sit in the shade, out of the way of the sun or the rain in this case, and enjoy downtown. So we came out to the park on the other side of the towers for a different view of the tower and enjoy this lovely park. Full of greenery, sheltered places, shady little places you can sit out of the sun or the rain in this case. And if you really fancy it, there's a little play area to swim in over there. Or just stand outside and get wet. All those fitness fanatics out there like myself, the running track here is soft to reduce the impact on your ankles and your knees and your hips when you're running. Keep fit, keep active, keep healthy. You come back in the evening, you get to see it lit up in all its glory. We've just come as the sun setting, so just beginning to get lit up now.
What time is it?
Time is now 1900 hours. So you can hang around till it gets darker, see it brighter. Plenty of opportunities to have your photograph taken with it. Lots of people offering to take your photograph. I don't know how much they charge for that, but